We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Good morning. As an Italian mom or an Italian granny, we learn how to improvise because there are so many times when our kids will call us up and say, "Mom, we're coming over for lunch," and you're like, okay, you can't say no. We love having our kids and our grandkids over. So this is exactly what has happened this morning. We were just going to take it easy. We were actually just going to have 2 panini, Massimo and I, with some salame, and just take it really easy, maybe do some gardening. And my son called up and he's like, "Mum, I'm coming over." And I'm like, "Okay, great. Are you coming over for lunch?" "Yeah, probably." I'm like, "That's great. Thank you." And I just, thank goodness I had some sausage in the fridge. I've made some fresh sauce. Check 2 videos back where we make our fresh sauce. And so I've opened up 2 bottles and I've made a sausage ragu. And we're just going to have some pasta with that. And he may bring something. And that's the beauty of having our kids over and just improvising. Guess who's here? Ciao! Cin cin! Cin cin!
Cin cin. È stacco, c'è una telecamera sopra. Ti hai contato sui seccati della... Sì, guarda. Gelatin.
Tu lo vuoi mettere?
No.
Sì, va bene.
Quindi l'unico modo è fare
Buonissimo.
high resolution.
Cioccolatino.
Questo è pistacchio o nocciola?
No, ma non ce l'hai
30
Penso che
frames
non
per
c'ho.
second.
Cioè, com'è?
Bella! È rossa, nera e gialla.
Wow, bellissima. No, non si muove. È incredibile.
Sta succhiando l'acqua.
Buongiorno. We are on our way out. We are going to Ortigia for a couple of reasons. The first reason is...
Okay, we're going to meet up with somebody that follows us on the channel.
Yeah. Really nice guy, American guy. His name's Rich.
Rich,
and
yeah.
his daughter.
Big shout out to Rich. Yeah,
And
we're going,
Emilia.
and we're going to the market.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to the market because I want to make some stuffed veggies, like stuffed aubergines, peppers, and zucchini in the oven.
Do some general shopping, ready to get what we need.
Yeah, so come along with us.
Come with us, let's go.
Grazie Mario!
Uomo nero, sono troppo nero, non si vede.
Grazie, tutto per le galline!
Galline, appena gresso, dammi uno gallina, dai, mangi.
Ora si rompe il telefono. Comunque lui è siciliano.
Lo so!
L'hanno dimenticato sugli scogli.
Hello! We met Rich or Richie?
Rich, yeah.
We met
Riccardo.
Rich.
Riccardo.
He's come from America on holiday and his daughter
Emilia.
Emilia.
Ciao.
Ciao dalla Sicilia! So we had a fantastic time meeting Rich and Emilia. We got home and I made these stunning stuffed veggies, which actually we ate for 2 days because I made so many. So in our local town we had La Notte Bianca, which literally means a white night, and most of the shops stay open till about midnight, promoting their things. We had our little stall which promoted our association. Some of the teachers were there handing out pamphlets, getting students to come and join by September. The evening is super amazing. There's so much entertainment. There were so many people. There's fun and games. All the kids are out. It was such fun. We had a bite to eat and we just stayed together until past midnight. It was great.
Good morning. This morning we decided my hair's been long for quite some time, so it's time for a good haircut. It is getting really hot. There's a lot of reasons behind it. I'm not going to get into detail, but yeah, this morning we're going to take on the big task of cutting my hair.
Really?
Short. Well, yeah, Maria's cutting my hair. So it's going to be short, crew cut. That's it. Let's see what happens after.
He wants to do it. I didn't decide to do it. So let's see what happens. And I'm not a hairdresser. But I come from a family of hairdressers, believe it or not.
I trust her.
Well, as you've just seen, I dropped the electric razor and broke it, and Masi was not a happy bunny. Luckily, we carried on and I used the scissors to complete the haircut. But yes, I tell you, he wasn't a happy boy. Okay, so this is the final result. Do you like your hair, Masi?
My hair has been long for a while. I wanted to cut it for a while because working in the kitchen is very hot and everything, so
Yeah, the weather's
there was a
hot.
lot of factors that actually got me to make the decision. And yeah, it got down to doing it. Yeah, thank you. And
Is it
obviously
okay?
it's not a perfect cut. It's like what I wanted. I'm gonna have to get it sorted out. For one, you dropped the cutter, so you couldn't actually finish off.
But think about this. You're lucky I didn't start in the middle and then drop the cutters.
Yeah. So yeah, there is that.
So you were lucky in that way. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. I ruined your cutters.
It's okay. It's not a problem. You can always get another one. Not a problem. Yeah. Thanks for that, my darling.
Good morning. Would you believe that this morning it actually rained? Look at it now. It's completely changed. So we have decided it's our day off and we're going to hit the beach even though it rained this morning. We're going to go to a beach called Pellerina, which is Masi's favorite beach. It's really awkward to get to. I'm not very happy about going there because I don't know if we'll be able to take our chairs down. Sorry, that's the horse bashing next door. Anyway, and I'm thinking, gosh, it may even be our last time that we go to the beach. I don't think it will be, but yeah. Got everything, Mas?
I surely have.
Okay,
Off to the beach.
let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah, so we normally get panini from our friends Juicy and Massimo, but they've gone on holiday.
Everyone needs a holiday.
And they definitely need a holiday because they work jolly hard.
They're really hard workers.
So we just stopped off and got some chicken and aubergine, una parmigiana, which is aubergine, like an aubergine lasagna. And we're going to take that with us to the beach.
Yummy. I'm actually hungry.
And Massey's got himself a beer, of course. Okay, so we didn't go to Pellerina.
My favourite place.
we decided that we didn't want to walk too far, so we've come to Galina, which is just as nice. Wow, look at those waves. We're gonna have fun. There are quite a few waves. I absolutely love it when there's waves. We're gonna have fun.
Yay.
So basically, this is what happens after the 15th of August. Everyone goes home.
We win.
And the locals don't bother coming.
There is no one but us on the beach.
There is no one. We have miles and miles of empty beach just
We've
for
even got the turtles
us.
that have laid eggs behind
We
us.
have got the turtles behind us, so it'll be nice if we see them. Few foreigners just at the beginning, but they were just looking. And the beach is ours.
Oh yeah, baby.
So we got a little portion of parmigiana, which is one each. Very nice. Massey's opening up the chicken. Chicken wings or chicken legs? I can't remember.
Kosher.
Kosher, which means the chicken thighs. With marinated with a special oil and olives. Oh, wonderful.
In this area, the marine turtle, has laid her eggs. The walking on it and the area around it, if you walk on the area around it, can destroy the nest.
Aww.
Please don't put any shade on it with umbrellas
Okay.
or any other thing. And try not break the structure around it, that which is protecting it.
Alright. Sweet that they do this.
Yeah.
We had a lovely, lovely afternoon.
Very relaxing.
We were the first ones on the beach and we were like, yeah, the whole beach is ours, but loads of people came. And so it was okay. I mean, we had a lovely time. The waves were huge. I just love the water when it's wavy.
Yeah, the sea was pretty crazy.
It was.
Nice, having a swim in a rough sea.
We fell asleep and then this big wave just washed us out on the beach, so we had to move further back, which was fine. Now we're on our way. I want some gelato.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. So we're gonna go get some gelato. We met up with friends of ours which we hadn't seen all summer, so it was a pleasure going out with them. We went to this restaurant which is in the small port, and the men had a huge T-bone steak and us girls stuck to our pizzas, which was delicious. Anyway, it was a great evening. The next day I wanted to sort out the veggie garden, so I got rid of all the old summer veggies, cleaned the soil, raked it all up, and then started to take all the stones out. I then worked on the land and started to plant a few veggies that we eat during the winter. The main one is chicoria, which is like a chicory leaf, which we absolutely love, and we eat it all through winter, as I said. And then the next day, which I haven't filmed, I planted some beet leaves.
Right, quick update. This morning I popped out and got another little birdie. She is a Japanese sparrow. I had a male, now I've got a female, so I've got a couple of them. That's the female, the new one down the bottom there, on the box. So she's getting used to the aviary. The male is up, well, he's gone now. Oh, here he is. He's over there, the light brown one. There he is, on that side there. That's him.
Wow.
Yeah,
So you're hoping they're going to mate?
That's the idea. I want them to become friends, and very good friends.
Very, very good friends.
And I will add that those two finches over there, the coloured finches, they're always together. They've laid 2 eggs recently.
No, you're going to have to show us the eggs.
I don't really want to open up the nest right now.
Are you scared that it
Yeah,
might put
I'd just
them
rather
off?
leave them for the time being. But they have
Okay.
laid 2 eggs.
All right.
She's not coveting at the moment. She will do. This might be the first 2 eggs that she's going to lay, and then she will covet after.
Wow.
Yeah.
Exciting. You're going to be a daddy soon.
Yeah, so next week I would actually like to get another male canary. I'll see how that goes. Apparently the guy that gets all the birds, he's getting some new canaries in this week, tomorrow I think.
But they're so delicate, canaries.
Yeah, I know, they are delicate girls and boys. She's been through a rough time. She's got some ingrown feathers,
Yeah.
which I'm going to take her to him, and he said he's going to sort something out for me.
Sweet. No, she is.
She's,
And it's hard for her to fly because
Yeah.
of these ingrown
Yeah.
feathers. If anybody has any advice on that, maybe you can help Massey out.
Yeah, we'll sort her out. We'll get her sorted soon.
Okay.
In the kitchen today we are making tagliatelle ai funghi porcini, said in Italian. So it's going to be porcini mushrooms with a tagliatelle pasta without cream. A lot of people like to use cream, they like the creaminess. Italians don't use a lot of cream, down south especially. Okay. The reason why we don't use cream, because we make a cream out of the ingredient that you're using. Porcini mushrooms holds a lot of water. These are frozen. So the amount of water that it holds, it's enough to make cream. I will show you how to do that. So let's get cooking. So while I'm heating up the pan, I'm adding some olive oil in it, a nice big amount, because that's what helps to make the cream, as I said before. So the oil's nice and warmed up in the cast iron pan. We're starting to warm up. It's going to a great warm up now. Get your garlic and your chili in there, and you let that come up a little bit of a fry. You want that to cook up. As you can see, it's starting to bubble, and we'll flavor the oil with that. Alright, don't forget, you need your pot on. I like to have it boiling while I'm cooking, so I know it's ready. Just pop the pasta in when I am ready. Right, so that's frying up a bit. I'm adding a bit of rosemary to start off the flavour. And I get those porcini mushrooms in there. It's going to, all the oil's going to come up a bit. Watch. Wow. Right, so you can hear it's frying. It's pretty good. It's now 2 minutes that it's been frying. So I've got some white wine. We bought this wine from the local wine vendor. I'm going to add about a cupful of wine in there. And as you can see, the mushroom is breaking down really quickly, and it's starting to form a cream paste inside the oil. Look at that. See all that? That's all making cream. So you don't need your cream. I'm going to add water in there in a minute as well, once the alcohol has evaporated. I'm adding the rest of the rosemary that I've chopped up before, and parsley in there as well. So that just adds to the flavour. Yummy. I'm going to add salt and pepper now at this stage as well. Put the pepper in there. Get some salt there, nice, beautiful amount of salt. You don't want to exaggerate because you've got salt in the pasta. That's perfect. You put in your pasta. These tagliatelle come in little, what we call nests of pasta. There's 2 of us, So I'm only putting 250 grams is quite a lot. I might just put.
Just put it in because I'll eat it tonight.
Okay. So yeah, that's 250 grams for the churros. Now that is only 4 minutes of cooking. It's a 6-minute pasta. I'm going to move that across, put the pan back on, and then finish it inside the pan of the porcini. I'll show you why. So I'm going to let that warm up again, and once that warms up, or as it starts warming up, I'm going to add the half-cooked pasta in there. And what I'm doing, I'm adding water. The water from the pasta has got a lot of starch in it. That helps to make the creamy finish in it. I'm actually going to put the pasta in and get a ladle of that in there and finish cooking it off in the sauce. I've got the pasta in there now. I'm going to take a couple of ladles, 1 and 2, leave that in there, and I'm going to start mixing the pasta into the sauce. I'm going to move that about, and we're going to finish cooking off the pasta in there. And automatically what happens, the starch of the pasta turns that sauce into a nice creamy base. Look, it's already starting to, you see that? Look at all that cream there. No panna, no cream in there. I might just turn the heat down a little bit. I want more creaminess in this. I'm going to add another ladle of water. The water from the pasta, that is, remember. Actually 2. Why not? What I'm doing now, I've got to 30 or even a minute before it's actually ready. I'm turning the heat off and I'm going to let it settle. It's going to finish absorbing the amount of liquid that needs to absorb. As you can see, there's a lot of nice sauce in there. Look at that. So that is maybe a tad too much. So I'm going to give it a minute like that to finish off on its own. No heat. This is a cast iron pan, so the heat in the pan is enough. And don't forget to take out your chilies. Biting into that is not fun, not nice. So that time's up now. So now I'm going to serve. So I'm going to get some pasta onto the, well, I like using my little tweezers, chef tweezers. Get that onto there. Get it all in there. Yeah, look at that. I have learned my lesson. So I have waited until it's cooled down a bit. Let's give it a taste. That is amazing. Once more. Mamma mia. Buono, troppo buono.
Okay, we just wanted to end this video with a few words because we hardly sit down and have a little chat with you guys, so we've decided that we're going to add this little bit on the end. First of all, we just want to say thank you to all our old subscribers and all their wonderful comments.
Thank you very much for that, yes.
And also to our new subscribers, welcome aboard.
Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, and we read all the comments, Massimo and I. We take time out to read every single comment and we answer every comment. And we love your feedback because it encourages us.
The comments are beautiful. We love our comments, negative or positive.
Yeah,
they come out the same.
Doesn't matter because even there haven't been a lot of negative comments, but if there have been a little bit negative, we've taken that into consideration and you know,
it's good feedback.
It is good feedback.
We learn from that as well.
We definitely learn from that. Yeah, we are now going slowly into winter. Well, we're coming out of summer, and it is something that we are really enjoying.
It gets cooler, so it's easier to do stuff.
Yeah, and you're going to be carrying on with some DIY.
Yes, as I said,
it was so hot, wasn't
going
it?
into the summer months it's really hot, so it's harder to actually do outdoor work. So going into the winter months, autumn's the best actually, because the temperature is just right. I actually get out there. I'm sure you've noticed in some of the videos that we've done a little bit of work needs to be done on the outer walls of the house.
Yeah.
A little bit of odds and ends, which I'm going to get down to now because I can. The weather permits that. There's a lot of little odds and ends that I need to pick up on, which I did actually leave it for the summer. Too hot to work out there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Sicily's got that weather that sort
It's
of
just
doesn't
baking
permit
hot.
you to do that.
No,
Yeah.
all we did was really rest in the afternoon because it was just extremely hot. Also, we prepared ourselves with a few things that we could eat during the winter. So we made a big batch of sauce, which we use quite a lot. So
preserved food. Yeah.
Yeah, we're really happy about that. So we've got that all year, all winter. We've done sun-dried tomatoes. And now we're going to start collecting a little bit of wood because we have a wood burner and we need to keep ourselves warm with that wood burner.
Yeah, Maria likes to have a nice hot fire when I'm not here, I'm at work. So
I do suffer the cold.
It keeps her company, and she likes to, sit in front of the fire every now and then.
Excuse me.
And yeah.
So it's going to take a little bit of a change. We're going to be going to see maybe some more festivals because now in September, October, they love to have all their lovely festivals. You get the Chestnut Festival, the Mushroom Festival. And
it's also easier for us to go on walks. So
yeah,
we'll probably be finding...
back on hikes.
Yeah, we'll be finding more time to actually go on hikes. I will still be working in the evenings. Probably going to get an extra day off. We were talking about that at work, so give us an extra day to dedicate to the channel.
Yeah, and to
what we do.
We also just want to say that wherever we go, we obviously will film, and we do get around quite a lot. We're very adventurous. We like to adventure.
Yeah,
we have Mondays off, and we get up and we say where we're going to go. Let's go to Etna or whatever. We do that, but we want to say that we're not a tour guide
we're
channel.
not a tour channel. Yeah.
So we will give you a little bit of info of the place, but we're not going to go into great depth on explaining the place and everything because it's just not up our alley. It's not our niche. Our niche is we are 50-year-olds who've moved to Sicily. We are repatriates. We're not even expats really, and we are having a good life here. And another thing we would like to say is we do cherry pick what we want to show you, obviously.
Yeah,
because
we choose what we want to show. Obviously, there is goods and bads in everyday life.
Like
so
everybody.
We're pretty normal, like everyone else is normal. So we have obviously, it's not nice to show bad stuff. We believe that it's not nice to show bad
our problems or whatever we're having at the moment.
We all get that as well. Yeah.
We're not going to be, disclosing that with you. We are obviously just going to show you the nice things because when I watch a channel, excuse me, my voice. When I watch a channel, I want to see the good part of it. I don't want to go and see all the horrible stuff. That's just me, and I just feel a lot of people feel the same way. I've spoken to a lot of people. They don't want to see all the issues and the problems. There are going to be there. It's normal. You get that everywhere, right?
Yeah, you get that as you go along. It's sad to see somebody having a bad time or struggling in whatever they do. We don't struggle as much. We don't, as to say, sorry. We have our hard times and our easy times, good times and bad times, like everybody. We're as I said before in the other videos. We're pretty human, we're pretty us. We like to transmit that, show our normal lives. We try and not show the bad part of life. It does come up every now and then, you can't.
But what's the point? We don't want people to feel bad after they watch our videos.
Yeah.
But we're not criticizing anybody that does do that because everybody has their own niche and it's fine. This is our little niche. So anyway, we're going to end that.
We're going to end that.
I've got to go to work.
Keep those comments coming in, as we said before, good or bad.
We love your
criticism
comments.
is okay. We actually like criticism. We like to actually fulfill what people do want to see. People might ask questions. So
give us some feedback if
we're able to answer, we'll definitely answer. Feedback is what we need, and we'll obviously give you that feedback, what you need to know. Or if we are able to, we're not geniuses. So yeah, we'll give you a bit of our minds, and yeah, we'll carry on showing you this beautiful place that we live in,
Yeah.
because that's our object.
And it is beautiful. I don't care what anybody says.
Well-
it is stunning, and we are living a fantastic life.
Yeah, the
So-
beauty in every place has got its beauty. We enjoy what we're showing, and we like to express the beauty of our surroundings, our lives.
And whenever we can help you, we've met a few of our subscribers. They've reached out to us and they've asked for, to meet us for a cup of coffee, and we love doing that. If we've got the time, we will love to meet you and try and help you out with whatever. So yeah,
Have fun.
Have a
Enjoy
lovely
our
weekend.
channel. Have a lovely weekend. This is obviously our weekly video. So today's Saturday. Today is upload day.
yeah.
So yeah, keep your maybe your ears tuned in. Saturdays we'll always upload a video, no matter what. Even if we got something that we've had to arrange really quickly, every Saturday we'll
Yeah.
bring out a video. No
Ok.
problem.
Ciao, alla prossima.
Bye bye.